welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial how to activate your automatic locking on your Honda Pilots. I'm pretty sure this is applied to the Ridgeline, the Passport, or maybe Accord and then Civic. So let's go and then get this started. So we're going to activate once you get out of the car. Your car is going to automatically lock itself. Alright, so we're going to put down the remote, press the brake, and then hit the engine start button right here. And you're gonna let your screen boot up. Once your screen boot up, you're gonna hit the setting gear icon right here. What's it doing? Go hit the setting gear icon right there. Click on vehicle. And we're going to go to keyless access setup right here. So we're going to click on walk away auto lock. So right now it's disabled. We're going to enable that. Press enable. Would you like to set walk away auto lock to enable? Press OK. Okay. And you could also go to other setting like door unlock mode. So once it's unlocked, it is better to unlock the driver's side only. In case you want to do unlock all doors, but at the nighttime, you got to be careful. You got to make sure nobody's surrounded by your vehicle, or else once your car unlock, it unlocks all the doors, and those robbers could jump in the car from the passenger side or your rear passenger doors. Got to be careful. So I like to set it on the driver's door only. Okay. You could also set the keyless access light flashing. So on the parking light, it will flash whenever time you turn on or off. Right now it's set on. You can turn it off if you want. And then a keyless access beep. So when you arm and disarm, it will beep you. It is on right now. You can also turn that off. And remote start system on or off. Mine is set on. So you can turn it off if you want, but I like to set it on. So we already set the walk away auto lock already. We're gonna go ahead and then turn out the engine and then do the test. Okay. So let's go ahead and then turn the engine off. So I'm gonna give you like a demonstration right now. Once you get out of the car, the alarm should beep once, and then you'll beep twice when the doors lock. So I'm gonna film, focus on my remote, so I'm not pressing anything. Okay. So I'm gonna close the door. So now I hear one beep, and then second beep, it locks all the doors. So I'm going to put the remote down on the floor. I'm not going to carry it with me. So I demonstrate. It's lock, lock. So everything is locked, okay? I put the key over there by the floor. So I'm going to pick up my key again, and then once I walk, you can unlock it right here. So that's how you set up your walk away auto lock. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, Peace.